就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another round of Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, the phrase you're learning over and over again is pretty 漂亮。讲 OK， 这个画画跟写字啊，都可以很漂亮，对不对？有时候看到人家写字很漂亮啊，那个读起来心情会特别好，对不对？像我的文字看起来就会很沉重。
哦，那我跟你相反。
真的吗？你写字不错，对不对？
对。
All right, I like when people write beautifully, and let's hear a conversation about that. OK， 我们来听一段某人写字很漂亮，可能就是 Alice 的一个对话。
唔计是写都懂讲呢。
我從細就好練習寫詩，
應該咩愛來練習。
Let's break down these lines one by one, okay? The first line, 你的字寫得很漂亮哎。The way you write, your handwriting is beautiful.
唔計是寫都懂講呢。
寫都懂講呢。OK， 就寫得非常漂亮。來，懂講 that means very beautiful, right? 很漂亮。然後字叫做什麼？詩。Okay, 詩 just means words, okay? So the words that you write or your handwriting, 唔計詩就是你的字。
對。
寫。
下
okay, that means to write. What you write is very beautiful. 对方就回答，我从小就喜欢練習寫字 actually enjoy writing when I was little.
我從細就好練習寫詩。
就好練習寫詩。
對，我從小就喜歡練習寫字。
寫詩 again is to 寫字 okay, to write something, to write words. And then since I was little, 從小
從細
that means from a little age, from a young age, I already liked writing. 那我也要來練習哦。I should start practicing too.
給我們愛來練習。
OK， 練習這個以前有教過。練習，來一起來練習，怎麼說練習？練習 OK, that means to practice over and over again. Practice makes perfect. 我們來教這裡面幾個單字咯。
好，
包括字 word,
詩
and then to write 寫
下
and finally to practice 練習。Let's hear the conversation again.
唔計是寫都懂講呢。
我從細就好練習寫詩。
應該咩愛來練習。
And this month we're teaching you the phrase beautiful, 漂亮。
講
And there you go. I'm gonna go practice my handwriting now. That is today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.